All right, so today on 3.1D, we're dealing with odd and even functions. So we're taking the sine of negative x plus the sine of x and figuring what it equals. Well, on your note card, we had positive and negative functions, didn't we? Okay, or odd and even functions. Did you get a note card? No. So you'll have to get a note card and copy somebody's note card here, and then you'll be hopefully caught up. Was somebody else gone the other day? Because I don't think he was. Oh, Grady. Was Grady gone? I don't know. Whatever. All right. So what is the sine of x from your note card equal to? Nope. Sine of negative x. Odd and even functions. Negative sine of x. So we're taking negative sine of x plus sine of x, which equals 0. Okay? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's say we took the sine of negative x times the cosine of negative x times the tangent of negative x. What do we get if we multiply all three of those together? Well, what's the sine of negative x equal to? Negative sine of x. What's the cosine of negative x equal to? Just normal cosine of x. What's the tangent of negative x equal to? Negative tangent of x. And negative tangent of x is negative sine of x over cosine of x. Because negative tangent would be negative sine over cosine. Now, can anything cancel here? Nope. The cosines cancel. And so I have a negative sine of x times a negative sine of x. Negative times a negative is a positive sine squared of x. So when we multiply the three together, that's what we get. What's the secant of negative x minus the secant of x? Very good. Because the secant of negative x is the secant of x minus the secant of x equals 0. The sine of negative x over the cosine of negative x, minus the tangent of negative x. Okay, what's the sine of negative x equal to? Negative sine of x over positive cosine of x. Tangent of negative x is negative tangent of x, so minus a negative sine of x over cosine of x, right? Because tangent is sine over cosine, and if it's negative sine over cosine. Well, minus a negative is plus a positive. Negative plus a positive of the same thing is 0. Okay? So what we're doing on our first assignment today, on page 165, is you're going to do 4 more of those things that we finished up yesterday with the quadrants, and you have to find the 5 parts of it. So yeah, if you're given the cosine of alpha, you need to find the sine of alpha, the tangent of alpha, the cosecant of alpha, the secant of alpha, and the cotangent of alpha. So we'll have 4 of those. So that's 25 through 28. And then we'll have 6 problems where you're dealing with odd and even functions. So there's 10 problems to do for the next 25 minutes. And then I'll teach a little bit more, and then we'll be done with section 3.1. Because this is 3.1D, and so we have 3.1E to do yet this class period, and then we'll be done. And then next week, we'll start on section 3.2. And the week after that, we'll spend on section 3.2. No, let's do 10 problems. Here we go. Get to work. Page 165, 25 through 36 all.